then you'll be able to eat it, yeah. Someone stole it from you. What are you going to do now? That's a bully. You can eat the whole thing? Are you crazy? You're nuts? You just swallowed the whole thing whole. How are you going to... It's going to be very difficult to get it down. It's bread. It doesn't slip down like fish. How are you doing it? How are you doing it? You coming to show me? You are strange. Are you choking? You need some water to wash it down. Are you okay now? You look like you have a big bowl. Do you want to throw it up? Are you going to fly away?